Welcome to XyPractica. In this video, we'll be demonstrating Experiment 6, the lime water test.
To prepare lime water, we will first need calcium hydroxide. Take a beaker. Now, using a spatula, carefully add 1 to 2 scoops of calcium hydroxide powder into the beaker.
Once the calcium hydroxide is in the beaker, pour in approximately 30 milliliters of distilled or drinking water. Stir the mixture thoroughly for a few minutes to create a saturated solution. Let the mixture settle for at least 30 minutes, allowing the excess solid to sink to the bottom. After settling, the excess solid is at the bottom. Carefully pour the clear liquid into a new beaker. This clear solution is lime water, and it's ready to use. First, get a test tube rack. Now, carefully place each of the test tubes into the rack. We have 3 solutions ready for testing. First, lemon juice. Second, we will use vinegar. And our third sample is a baking soda solution. We will now prepare our samples. First, we'll pour the baking soda solution into the first tube. For our second sample, we will be using vinegar. Let's carefully pour the same amount into the middle test tube. Finally, the lemon juice is poured into the third test tube. Now that the 3 solutions are ready, we can begin the test. Now it is time to perform the test. Using a dropper, you will add 1 to 2 milliliters of the calcium hydroxide solution to each of the 3 test tubes. The first solution turns milky, a positive result. The vinegar solution stays clear. The lemon juice also remains clear. Only the first solution reacted.
Thank you for watching.